Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Scotiabank app is stuck on loading screen, here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection is the most common cause. Next, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Scotiabank app and then swipe it away, close it completely and wait for a few seconds before reopening it. Now, head over to your app store, search for the app and then check for app updates and install to the latest version available. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files, so update it. Now, if the app is still stuck, clear the app's cache on Android or on iPhone. Long press on the Scotiabank app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for the app and download it from there. Also, disable any VPN services as they can block banking apps from loading. After doing this, the app should load normally and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.